Willem.
Hello.
Good afternoon. How are you? Good, good, good.
Hello and welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I'm with Willem and we are in Kaş, Turkey. You reached out to me like a couple days ago and you said, oh my god, you're traveling in Turkey, come to your place. And yeah, you found me on YouTube. When? Like when did you see me? When did you find me?
2016, 2017.
17.
Following it, yeah.
No crap. So I just got a message from him a couple days ago. Apparently he lives here, so he invited me here and we're gonna go for a walk. He's gonna kind of show me his neighborhood, yeah?
Yeah, definitely. Right, we're at Büyükçakıl. Are you recording?
Yep.
Oh, can we do that again?
Okay, go for it. I just cut out the bad parts.
Alright, we're at Büyükçakıl Beach, also known as Big Pebble Beach.
Yeah, the pebbles are pretty big.
Let's take a walk down to the beach and see what's happening there.
I don't think I've ever been to a beach that was just rocks, like the whole, oh wow, we got a cat. Just rocks. Everything was just like big rocks went to smaller rocks, but it never really turned into sand, like you said. The translation was
Big Pebble Beach.
Big Pebble Beach. Pretty accurate name.
We're on our way to Sadex.
And what is this?
Uncle Sadex. His name is Sadex. It's called Likia. It's a little cafe.
Good. Hopefully they sell liquid. All mine is drained. I am
like
so hot. Something with ice.
Yep.
Say something like, welcome to Kaş, and then say, everybody should come because why? So something like that.
Hello, welcome to Kaş. It's a beautiful city of Turkey. It's a beautiful city in Antalya. You can come. You can visit us. You can come Maşuk.
Maşuk? What is
Maşuk?
Maşuk?
Maşuk
Ah,
is your restaurant.
it's your restaurant.
Yeah,
Come
it's,
to Maşuk.
yeah.
Okay. Very good. And
Okay.
what is your name?
My name is Fahri.
One more time?
Fahri.
Fahri.
Yeah.
Like that.
F-A-H-R-I.
Fahri.
Yes, it
Okay,
is.
very good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Take
meet you
care.
too.
So the man just stopped. What was it? Fahri?
Faruk.
I totally forgot after 10 seconds. We're on our way to go get something to drink, and apparently it's really close. Thank God, because I'm almost dead. I'm so thirsty. From walking, where did we come from? His house is like way the hell up there. We had to go up a hill and then down, and whew, I must say, I'm really thirsty. I'm in love with this view, this mountain background. It is so cool.
Hi.
Good afternoon. Good
Rita,
afternoon.
kan je zijn haren zien filmen?
Amazing. So, this is Adam.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And what was it again?
Claire.
Claire. Claire, you sound British also.
I am.
Awesome. Beer. I think that sounds delicious. What are you going to get?
I think it's a beer as well.
It's so hot that I'm watching the refrigerated glass become warm instantly.
Just
Drinks and a
great
good
weekend.
afternoon.
Drinks and a good afternoon.
And a good evening.
Yes, it's amazing. Who's gonna dance first?
Very important people.
Very important. You gotta like stand on the table and start dancing.
Not yet.
Maybe next time.
We are from Belgium.
Belgium. You gotta show me a Belgium dance.
Maybe later.
Yeah, there's the Belgium dance. Have a good night. There's something there. So that was fun. We just hung out at a little mini bar. It was like full of expats, yeah?
Yeah, it is.
You said that you've been here for how many years?
12 years.
12 years, like 12 years in the country or 12 years in this town?
12 years in this town, yeah.
12 years in this town.
But I go back to England 3
How
times
often?
a year.
3 times a year. Oh, I'm just like walking away all by myself. Awesome. 12 years. That's amazing. So we're walking everywhere. Oh, of course. Right when I film you, you gotta drop the deuce. This dog has been following us for a while. Everywhere he just leads the way and pees. Leads the way and pees. What do you know about this place? Anything?
Delia?
Oh yeah, we have the 12-year veteran
no,
here.
No, sorry. Actually, yeah.
What do you know?
Should know. But actually, I've got a book at home. I've got to lend it to you, and it probably tells you all about it. They don't use it as a theatre very much at all, which is a shame.
Any other information that you know?
Not really.
It's just old and beautiful.
Old, beautiful, and it's got a great sunset of Kaş.
Every day. So. Stop it! No.
Well, you
I
can
can't drink
We're gonna give you the smaller glass.
So we made it to the top of the amphitheater. I'm quite surprised. Pretty much everybody here has a drink in their hand, whether it's beer or wine or some other thing that I'm not sure of. Everybody just comes to hang out, to watch the sunset, which is going to be over here, which is kind of cool. So you just have to be careful because those steeps are pretty steep. So those steps are steep. Did I say that wrong? I already had one too many beer. My steeps are step. I don't know what I said. Yeah, you don't want to drink too much wine and then like fall all the way down.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.
So we just spent like an hour and a half up here, and I think we all had a bit too much wine. At least I did. You haven't had enough. Wow. Well, I definitely had a bit. We're huddling a bit close together and walking slow down this because we all have had a bit to drink. I'm listening to their conversation.
There's your brake.
Yeah.
There's your bell.
Yeah.
And there's your accelerator. The light comes on, you step on, and then off you go.
That was absolutely amazing. Loved it.
Yeah, totally. I think I had a bit too much wine. I don't know about you.
I only had a beer and a half.
A beer and a half. I had a bit more, I think. Through this place.
Earn money from this. I mean, don't people earn money on YouTube for all this?
Everybody earns money on YouTube except for me. I'm the only guy who earns enough money to buy a bottle of water every day. That's it. So we walked through this place earlier today. I'm shocked. There was like 25 people in this whole place, and now there's like 2,500. I'm shocked. Apparently if you come here, you have to come out at night because that's when all the life happens. Wow.
And there's
Look.
more.
Wow. Look at all the people. This is pretty cool, I must say. A lot of action happening. Wow, so we just finished up at the bar. I think I've had a few glasses of wine, a couple too many beers. It was fun. Now, I'm not sure where we're going. I'm kind of following them. I think we're going home, but I'm not sure. No idea. I'm quite surprised, I guess, how active it is. What time is it? Wow, it's almost 11 o'clock at night, and it's quite active here. I mean, there's tons of people in every direction, hanging out at bars, at restaurants. Even kids are playing at night in the local park. It's literally almost 11 o'clock at night. Just hanging out, quite surprised. Anyway, I don't know. Welcome to Turkey. Dee was nice enough to give us a ride home instead of walking all the way home, which would be like 25 minutes or something like that up a mountain. But check out her car. It's like on the most insane slope. Hopefully when she releases her e-brake, she doesn't smash into this car. So we have Chef Adam here. What do you got going on?
We've got roasted potatoes, salad. We're gonna do a nice chicken.
Amazing. So Adam like slaved over the stove and created. What is this? What do you got?
Cajun chicken wraps, wedges, and a nice salad with fruit.
I switched to iced tea because I'm just not a professional like these
No,
other two.
me too. I've been on iced tea in
You're
a
also
wine
on the iced
glass
tea.
for the last half hour as well.
So we just finished up dinner. We had a lot of conversations about various things. So it's about 2 in the morning. Still have to transfer videos from my camera to my laptop so I have enough storage for tomorrow. Tomorrow I think we're gonna go to a mountain which is nearby. I'm not really sure. A bit of a hike. See you in the morning. It is the next morning. We had a light breakfast, an omelet, and a little bit of coffee, and now we are out hiking today.
We're on our way to Limenazi. It's going to take us about 2 hours, and then we'll spend the day there.
Yeah, it's super hot today as well. It definitely didn't get cooler. We've been walking for 10 minutes and we're already pretty much soaked, drenched in sweat. There's trees here, but on the other side is the bay, the water, I don't know what you call it, the cove. Really beautiful. Oh, what do you see? Oh, wow, yeah. Everywhere we go, there's these piles of rocks. I mean, just everywhere. Don't really know what the story is, why they're here, who would have done it. It's a lot of energy to stack all these things. we're not quite there yet. We still got to go down there. But yeah, we were talking about how the beer is going to taste extra nice and cold, and the water's going to be so refreshing if we actually go in. I certainly feel like going. Oh, I climbed this rock and now I have to get down. Oof, crazy. Sometimes going down here is a bit challenging. Super cool though. It's so hot. There's sweat dripping into my eyes. I'm probably gonna die because you gotta go down all these rocks. I keep looking at the water. I'm gonna not pay attention. I'm just gonna slip and die or something.
Half of them went this way. I caught up with them, but I'm not so sure this is the way. It looks like there's like a natural staircase up here, sort of. Not really. Wow, yeah, it's a bit challenging to get through here. I'm not sure how we get there. You went all the way up, but nothing? There's no way back down?
It just goes all the way around the cliff.
Sounds like we're going this way, back down the treacherous fall. Hopefully everybody survives.
So I've already played the whole airlifting thing through in my head already.
Let's hope we don't have to make that call.
Shit.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Especially since I have a camera in my hands. Hold on to the tree branch.
Got my foot in your ass.
Awesome, now we got the string to keep us safe, so I think we're on the right track.
What do you think? No problem?
No problem.
Adam's the rope expert.
Famous last words.
As you come down here, there's
I don't know what this is, but we're gonna look inside.
it's like a little cave, maybe a fire. Three people would sleep here, at least one person would sleep there. Oh yeah, there's a lot of char on the ceiling. Kind of cool.
Alright, we've got another junior.
The other one, they started a fire, so definitely there's
Char all over the ceiling.
That's cool. So just people hang out and sleep at night, I suppose. So apparently there's a cave up here. I'm gonna run up there really fast just to see what it looks like. Definitely people start fires. Really cool. Oh shit, I passed it. I was looking for an entrance. I don't feel like climbing up there. Kinda cool. There's a few names people have carved, but a lot of this is hundreds of years of people burning wood for the evening, I'm sure. We made it to the beach, finally. Everybody's really tired and sweating. I think we're all thirsty. What do you think?
The beer sound pretty good right about now? Maybe two, right?
Maybe 2 beers. What do you see? If you look close, up there is the cave that we were at, and then we walked along this trail really far. I don't know if our house is that one or over here. I can't remember. Quite a walk today. Oh my god, I'm ready to go swimming. The water is so damn clear.
Yeah.
Just watch out for that big snake going through here. So we happened to find a ring down here. The problem is there's sea urchins down there. You rented goggles, and now you're gonna go down there. Just don't step on these sea urchins. They're big.
I'll try my best,
They're about
yeah.
the size of basketballs.
We're going to swim through slowly and then you'll guide me through.
All right.
Here, the more I look at it, it looks like a ring, but it's not swaying back and forth, so I hope I don't send him on a false mission.
It's basically right in front of my feet.
Okay.
You should be able to look down and see it right now. It's the cork of champagne.
Champagne bottle.
Wow, that was
Oh,
a
no.
blast. We were so excited.
That's the last time I send anybody on a mission.
We tried. We got it.
Oh yeah. Well,
We're cleaning the ocean one piece of litter at a time.
so we decided to go for a walk. Some of us wanted to explore, and then the others wanted to stay back there. And so now we're just kind of walking around, following the coast, seeing where this trail takes us. Willem just seen a baby snake. It was just right in front of his feet. It went under this. It's under there somewhere. It was very small.
So we've walked for a couple minutes. It's kind of cool. It has like a rustic feel as you walk through this area, but there's really no pathway. We're not sure where we're going. If you look around us, there's no trail. I have literally no idea where to go. Ah, there's a fence. I think we've reached the end.
It's a lot cooler down this side than the other side.
Yeah, in the shade, it's not bad.
I haven't been this burnt in a while. My arms are red like cherries and my legs are pretty red. I just went, not snorkeling, but I had goggles and I kept swimming underneath and checking out the bottom below. It's kind of a lazy day. It's really beautiful. I could sit here for like a week, I think. It's just unbelievably beautiful. Pretty soon we are going to take a boat and go from here back to civilization. we just stopped across the street to visit Captain Ergen. He has a boat here, and tomorrow we're actually going on a pretty epic boat ride, so get ready for that. What time is it? I didn't even look. 20 to 9. Shit, okay. It's almost 9 o'clock. The day is pretty much finished. What was your favorite part of the last 2 days? I think I have mine, but I'm curious what yours was.
I would definitely say the hike up to Lemonazi. That was quite special.
I love the hike, but the best part was just relaxing on the beach and enjoying the swim in Lemonazi. That was my favorite.
I must say, I kind of agree with you because I have not been swimming in a very, very, very long time. So swimming in the beach and just wearing those goggles and just, I don't know, being like 10 years old. It was so much fun.
That's the second time I've been in the water since October. It's
Today.
too bloody cold.
The next video, basically, we're going to go on a boat. Yeah.
Yes,
With
we're going
Captain
to Captain Ergen tomorrow, and we're going out to Kokova.
Going to Kokova. Get ready for the next video because I think it's going to be pretty epic. That's it. Thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out. Start living. Take care.